Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Spotify to family. So as you know, there is a Spotify family where you can share a Spotify account with your family members. And here's how you can upgrade. So first open your Spotify and then just go to the premium tab at the bottom and scroll down until you find the packages from the family. So this one's right here is premium family, so you can add up to 6 premium accounts, and you can also block the explicit music and add free music listening, and you can also download and listen it offline. uh, if you want, you can just click on the get premium, and then here there are a few options that you can choose whether you want to use it like monthly, or you can also use in 3 months, 6 months, or year. You can just choose which one that you fits your need the best, and then after that choose the payment method and then proceed with the payment. After that, your Spotify will be upgraded to Spotify family. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.